Today we're putting together an IKEA Malm chest of drawers. In this video we're going to show you how we at WeFitAll would approach such a task, and we'll include plenty of pointers for anybody watching the video looking to do it themselves. Tools needed to build this item is really just a flat and a cross blade screwdriver, a rubber hammer, a normal hammer and a knife to open boxes more easily. At WeFitAll we use a professional staple gun instead of nailing by hand, so the nails all go in straight and perpendicular. We also use a low powered impact driver to ensure all screws are tightened equally, and a spirit level and measuring tape always comes in handy. Now before we get started, we always measure the area the furniture will go in, also that the area that we're building on, if these areas are tight. We also check that the floor is level. Now if your furniture is going on carpet, one thing to note is that carpet tends to have carpet gripper going all the way around the edge, and if your product is going to sit on this gripper, then it may well lean forwards. You can usually feel the gripper with your hand or use a level to check, but it's worth checking this to begin with so that you can plan accordingly. I'm going to get cracking on this now, and the rest of the video is going to be mostly a time lapse, but I will shoot a proper video or add notes, especially around any particular points that I want to talk about. This is us with the nail gun. Once again, it's just so that the nails go in straight, and you end up getting a better fitting basically. Here we're working on the actual drawers. Now when building any furniture, we're always trying to group tasks together, a bit like assembly factory. So here you can see, we just saw us put some parts together. Here you should be able to see us screwing in those parts. Now our point is, if you pick up a screwdriver, try and do as much with the screwdriver as possible before you put that screwdriver down. That way you're not constantly picking up tools and dropping tools. You know, it makes your job faster, easier, also reduces the chance of you damaging or scratching a product or yourself.